What's up, guys? First ride back after the snow. If you can't see all that and more. Yeah, it's just the weather is finally a little bit warm enough to ride and dry, and I can't see anything other than dry. What the hell? Holy crap! Where's my gloves? Today I'm not wearing the Fox Racing. I'm wearing the street gloves so I can be warm. Let's do it. You might be wondering why I just said on that, because I have ski pants, so snow, ski, whatever, it doesn't matter. That's how it rolls. I just hope this road is dry. It's still below freezing, but at least I hope the roads are dry. Let's just see how crazy I am. Should be alright, the roads are dry. I have to sit up again. I wonder if it's fine. See how well I can ride on these roads. That really hurts. Let's just hope I'm alright, because it's still a little slippery. Summer's right here, man. It's a beautiful sunny day. And it really is, especially how it's been. I wonder if it says 250 anywhere on this bike. Just lane split. choke on this time so it doesn't break. It's kind of cold now. Just lane split, just lane split. Let's check out the highway today. Gear 2. Let's just make it on gear 1 to be sure, because it's like, it's not that kind of bike. I was going to do, guys, I'm still going to do it right now. That's how lane splitty I am today. It's like my new dreams. Open up just in time. I did it, come on, 6th gear, don't let me fail. Little name. Feeling pretty warm here. Looks like my fingertips. I remember this turn of the knob. My fingertips is, oh shit. My fingertips is really getting, my fingertips is really getting, really getting cold. Starts at 4:25 today, so I don't know what time I'm at. But it's just about starting because of the snow. So that's basically all clear for me to come and do my assignment because of the teacher who's kind of tough. course my hands are frozen as well. There's nobody out there. Somebody's coming on my left, I can almost feel it. Nope, nobody's coming. Just me and the wind. Crap. First gear for sure. I must have been a huge guy on this bitch. It's not that loud. Usually it's louder than this. Nighttime, remote weather? I don't know. This is the left one. Aren't you glad my left signal works on this? Biatch. What's up, baby? Oh, they took it out from here. Come on. Somebody calling home like that? No. There you go, now it's loud. Just hope it turns on the way back. Rev limiter. That's kind of what? There's no fucking way. There's no fucking way. Is this a person in use? Or in stuck? This is a person in stuck, isn't it? This is a person in stuck. They've been stuck for a while. I know her, she came one time and then it started snowing and they couldn't get back out. I'm just gonna park right here. Oh, shit, no ass. Cigarette, no way. I don't think anybody's gonna mind me parking here, homie. Right or wrong? Fuck it. That's a badass gear to be rotten in. Gotta do it the hard way. Where's my spot anyway? I'm doing it blindly. I'm just doing it by sense. You know, by magical senses. My spidey senses are tingling. They're telling me to go this way. What's going on with these first gears and neutrals and stuff? It's just not working good. Oh god, whoa, that's slippery as fuck. Alright. Let's just hope this works on the way out back. Oh. Shoot, that's cold. It's still really cool in here, I don't know why. I wonder if they're stuck, or they're just, looks like they're stuck as shit. Fuck, they forgot it. Maybe they can't take it home. What are they gonna do? What if I get stuck? Ever think about what happened if I got stuck? Leave it on for a little bit longer.